Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine. I'm your math teacher. My name is Miss Rabia, and today I am going to tell you another type of set, that is universal set. Universal set, its definition is: a universal set is a set that contains all the sets under consideration. Okay, in this we have discussed all the sets. We will take all the small sets into one set, that is equal to J is equal to January, June, July. This is example: January, June, July. A is equal to April, August. And now universal set is months of the year. Now here universal set is denoted by capital U, okay, and it contains all the elements of the other two sets which are under consideration. Now set U is the universal set of set J, sets J and A. It contains all the elements of sets J and A and many more. Now I'm going to tell you about the subsets. Okay. Now subsets, its definition is: if each element of a set A is also an element of another set B, then set A is called a subset of set B. This symbol is used, you can see here cursor, this symbol is used to denote a subset. If you discuss the example of a subset, then it will be clear in your minds. For example, this is the example of subset. D is equal to water, soda, squash, milk, tea, and coffee. Now W is equal to water, soda, squash. And S is equal to water, soda, squash, and cola. Now we have three sets. All the elements of set W are in set S. Okay. All the elements of the squash of set W are present in set S and D. Okay. W, all the elements of W are also present in set D. Now W is subset of S and D, and now this is written as W is subset of S and W is subset of D as well. Now S is not subset of D because here we have cola in S, but in set D we do not have cola. Okay, so it is not subset. S is not subset of D, while W is subset of D, and S is also W is subset of D, and W is also subset of S. Now another example: if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, and C is equal to 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now D is equal to 10 and E is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here B is subset of set A because all the elements of B are also elements of set A, and B is subset of E because all the elements of set B are also present in E, and C is also subset of A. Now proper subset, its definition is: if every element of A is also an element of B and at least one element of B is not an element of A, then A is proper subset of B. Now we have discussed here not only subset, we have discussed here proper subset. For proper subset, all the elements of the first set, the smaller set, it should be present in the other set, while there should be at least one element which is not present in the first set. Now it is denoted symbolically as A is the proper subset of B. Now for example, A is equal to set of people in your family going on a picnic. Okay, and B is equal to set of all the people in your family. Now, the smaller set is that some people in your family will go on a picnic. And B is equal to set of all the people in your family. Means like if you are four brothers and sisters and two parents and all, and only your one brother is going and your mother and father are going on picnic, then then it will be set A, and then B is equal to that will consider all the family members. So A is proper subset of B, because in set B you have also other family members which are not going on a picnic. Now, improper subset, its definition is a subset that contains every element of the set A is called the improper subset of A. Okay, means it contains all the elements of the other set. Now, improper subset and original set are equal as they contain the same elements. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is also equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So every element of A is present in set B. So they are improper subset. Okay. Now example is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. A is equal to B. Superset. Superset is a set that contains all the elements of a smaller set. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The smaller set is A that contains only 3 elements, while the bigger set is B that contains 5 elements. Now all the elements of A are present in B. So the superset is B. B is a superset of A. This is symbolically expressed in the form B is the superset of A. Cardinality of a set. Cardinality of a set, its definition is the number of elements of a set is called its cardinal numbers, and for example, cardinality of A is equal to A, B, C, D. Now, set A is having 4 elements, so its cardinality is 4. If the set is having 5 elements, then its cardinality will be 5. Then if the set has 7 elements, then its cardinality will be 7. Now, exercise 1E. Question number 1, it has fill in the blanks. A unit set is also called a dash, that is called singleton. A set of all integers is an dash set, infinite set. Okay, because the set of integers do not end. Now the symbol this represents a empty set. Two sets that contain the same number of elements are called equivalent sets. A dash set contains all the possible subsets of a set, power set. A proper subset is denoted by the symbol this. The number of elements in a set is called its cardinality. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 is a dash of set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 subset. Overlapping sets have at least one common element. We have discussed all these in our previous lectures, so this is familiar to you. Now the universal set for A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you will write all the elements. You will combine the elements of A and B and you will make the universal set. Okay, then it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 100, 200, 400 dash 1, 2, 3. Now this symbol will be used. Proper subset. 1224 proper subset of 246. 10-135. Now here 10 is not written in the brackets, so this is called the element. Okay, if the this is not written in brackets, so it is not a set, it is called the element. So you have to write that, you have to check whether this is the element of the other set or not. Now 10 is not an element, so we have put here the symbol that is not an element. Now 1 2 3 up to so on. Now this is superset of 8 10 and 12. 1 3 5, or you can say 8 10 12 is a subset of the 1 2 3 up to so on. Now 1 3 5 3 5 1, they are equal, so we'll put the sign of equality. Kasoor, Lahore, Multan, that are dash is equal to Pakistani cities. Now proper subset of Pakistani cities. Now A, B is dash vowels of English alphabet, not equal to. So if you have any question, you can ask me in WhatsApp group. I will answer there. So this was all from my side.